Yes, the developer is well within their right to make changes to your floor plan and your finishes without your consent, provided that it isn't considered a material change. And I'm sure that material change is open to interpretation. There are some guidelines that need to be adhered to by developers through Tarion and the New Home Buyer Act, but at minimum, most contracts are going to have a stipulation that the finishes can be substituted for something of equal or greater value. You can also expect some changes to your floor plan. They're not likely going to be noticeable, but when I've seen buyers complain to developers about their units, developers might offer to rectify the situation by taking the unit back and giving the buyer their money back. And this usually isn't a good option, because if the home or the condo has increased in value, they aren't going to give you your deposits back plus the profits. They're just going to give you your deposit back, take the unit, sell it to somebody else for more money. So the bottom line is you have to expect that there are going to be some changes and substitutions to your finishes and your floor plan, as long as they're not considered more than a material change. Understanding this before you buy is integral to your new construction purchase.